guys, Mia McCormick here with John McQuiston, and this is the second video in our series on the DJI Inspire1. Now, this video is all about flying, which is why we've got Steve McIrvin here. He is the co-founder of coptershop.com, and we've come out to this beautiful location. It's a zipline park called the Canyons in north central Florida. It's just a great spot to shoot, right, Steve?
It sure is. You can see it's surrounded by these beautiful trees and water and the zip line itself, but all these things work together to create quite a hazardous area for flying. So it's going to be tough to navigate between all these obstacles and watch out for the people that are going on the zip line and even some turkey buzzards that we saw up there. So we're going to be very careful and use the dual operator control mode of the Inspire1. It allows you to take one controller and just concentrate on flying the drone so you can do it safely and go where you want, and then the second controller can be used to operate the camera and get the exact footage that you want.
Yeah, it really helps divide your attention, or keep from dividing your attention, because you only have to focus on either flying the machine or using the camera, so it's great for that. As Mia mentioned, this is the second of two videos, and if you're new to flying, especially if you haven't watched the first video yet, go back and watch that one first. That will have the basics you need to make sure you get this thing up in the air safely and bring it back safely, because you don't want to make the investment in a wonderful tool like this that will make spectacular pictures for you, video and stills, and then crash it because you didn't take flying it seriously enough. So watch that first video. When you're ready for more advanced flying, come back and watch this one.
All right, let's get started. Before you try to fly with the more advanced settings we'll show you in this video, you should know at least 4 main things that we showed you in the first video. First, how to assemble your Inspire1 and upgrade the firmware. Second, how to calibrate the compass and IMU. How to make sure you have GPS lock, and finally, how to follow the takeoff and safety checklist before every flight. If you're not confident in all of these areas, go back and review the first video. When you're ready, this video will begin an in-depth look at all the features and functions of the radio controller, and then dive into the DJI Pilot app, comparing the controller with the app so that you can decide the best workflow for you. Next, we'll add a second controller and explain how you and a partner can work in tandem to fly the drone and operate the camera simultaneously. Finally, we'll put everything together and show you how to take professional quality photos and videos from the air.